Okay, so this, my friends, is outside. Yeah, so it's gonna rain a whole bunch. The grass needs to be mowed. Look how long this grass is. Look at that. Holy moly. Well, anyways, so yeah, this is my garden, yo. Check it out. We got marigolds. We got marigolds. We got marigolds. Oh yeah. This little makeshift planter box that I made in my garden with my gate. I made this gate, by the way. Yeah. Anyways, let's have a look inside. Okay, so I have pepper plants. These things were supposed to be habaneros, but they shipped me the wrong ones because they're awesome. So now they're just these plants. Banana peppers, I think, of some kind. They're not really done yet. Here's a jalapenos. Yeah. Whole bunch on there, if you can see. Yeah, you can see them. Whole bunch of them. Okay. Also, pineapple plant back there. That isn't doing too well. I just said forget it and planted it. It was in a pot for a while. It was dying. So I planted it in the ground. We'll see how it does. It might come back. It might just, I don't know, turn into mush. Who knows? Alright, and you can see the effects of the hurricane or whatever, Tropical Storm Beryl. Tropical storm. Knocked over all of my tomato plants. Can't really do much of anything right now. Gotta get some sticks or something to hold them up. You can hear, I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear the thunder rumbling. Yeah. Let's see here. I'm gonna pause for a minute. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Just want to make sure the video quality was okay, which it is okay. Yeah, storm's pretty much on its way right now. You can see the trees going pretty crazy. So yeah, but anyways, I got a whole bunch of tomatoes on here. Look pretty good. But seriously, every single one of these plants is toppled over. Probably from the weight of the rain. Got a somewhat of a caterpillar problem, if you can't see right there. A lot of bug problems. Mainly just caterpillars, but who knows. Probably some more. Can't find any on here right now. I did find one a while ago and I smashed it. Turned into like green Nickelodeon slime. See every single one of these though. For the most part, they're doing really good. Got a whole bunch of unripe green ones. See? Whole bunch. And what else? We got squash and zucchini right here. Yep. There's one. There's a monster one right here. Monster squash plant. Zucchini plant. These leaves are just sick. Look how big these leaves are. Monster leaves. The size of my hand compared to them. Huge. Huge, man. Anyways, yep. Zucchini. Broccoli. Look at this. Man, it's just toppled completely over. There's nothing I can do though. As I said, as I will repeat. Look at that. Ugh. It's got some cancer or something all over the stem and on the tomato. I don't know. Anyways, there's some broccoli. Check that out. Good old broccoli. Oh yeah. So everything's doing okay in the garden for the most part. Yeah. That's some, I think that's cantaloupe. I don't recall. I think it's cantaloupe, pretty sure. Pumpkins. Rock and roll pumpkins. Say it again. Yeah. What else? More cantaloupes. They're dying a little bit. I probably put too much fertilizer on it. Shouldn't have did that. But we're in Florida, so we got plenty of sun, plenty of wiggle room if I screw up. So yeah, here's the front yard. Huge front yard. Goes all the way up to the road. There's our satellite dish. And here's the back of the house. Yeah. Alright, let's get out of this garden. Close her up. Let's see. Oop. Kind of a horrible door that I made. But gets the job done, I suppose. If I can close it. Jeez. Okay, there we go. Alright. So yeah, let's take a stroll over here and I'll show you something that makes me really angry. This stupid Labrador dog, he keeps coming over here. I thought I had it really good. Barricaded up, but man, he just plows right through that. He might be under there now. Not sure. Let's take a peek. Yeah, you can't see anything. Turn the brightness up, but no, you can't see anything. I can barely even see a couple feet in front of me. Need a flashlight or something, but anyways, yeah, that's a mess. Darn dog keeps getting in there. Yeah, here's an air conditioner. That's really entertaining. Yeah, look at the storm. It's picking up pretty good. Can't really see any true damage. There's a branch that fell off. Really, this whole tree's dead. So that thing could just come toppling right over. I doubt it though, but anyways, whoa, squirrel. What's up, squirrel? What you doing? Okay. Yep. There's a big branch that fell off. That's about it though. Let's look at the side. Other yard that's over there. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a walk up here, up the driveway. Okay. This is our huge driveway that goes in a loop. Let's walk over here. Show you these bushes real quick. Then I'll head out. Upload this to YouTube. To the YouTube. Check these flowers out. Big time wind coming in. Can't change the brightness that much. I got the settings. Oops, there we go. Whoa. Alright. Anyways, okay, so yeah, just showing you my garden. Check it out. That's about right. It's not that bright out. Okay, so yeah. Alright. See you later.